Hello everyone, welcome to the Proper and Quick channel. In this video, I will show you how to share horizontal videos with full frame on your Instagram story. Maybe you noticed, if you try to share a horizontal video on the Instagram stories, the frame gets automatically cropped and you cannot see the sides. But don't worry, it has an easy solution. Let's get started. First of all, you need to download an application called YouCut. You can find it on Google Play Store or App Store. Open the application. Click the plus button. Allow the application to access your media. Select the video that you want to edit. Scroll the Tools menu to the left. Click BG, which stands for background. Select the 9:16 ratio. This is the appropriate frame rate for the Instagram stories. As you see, the frame has been fixed and the blurred version of the video is playing at the background. You may want to keep it, but if you want to remove, click Color button. You can select one of these colors for the background. I'm selecting black for this video. When you're done, click Tick button. Then, click Save. If you want to reduce the file size, you can lower the resolution and quality here. But I'm keeping them as high. Your video has been saved. Now, let's try it on Instagram. Click Your Story. Click the photo icon at the bottom left. Select the video that we have edited. And we are done. Now we are free to share the video with full frame. Thank you for watching. Hope I explained it properly and quickly. If you have any requests or recommendations about the future videos, please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.